My recent video has got a better audience retention and helped me to get 10 times more views than usual. I am going to tell you the secret that worked for me to get more retention and views. Actually, if you are watching my recent videos, then you know that I will get some 50 to 60 views regularly, but these two videos got more than 500 views, and I was into research. I wanted to know what made this video to get more views than usual. After some deep research, I found that the CTR and the audience retention were higher for this video compared to the previous one. Actually, this retention was above 60% that time the video took off, and now it has some 40%. Above 30% is a good audience retention, and if you have 30 to 40% audience retention, then your video will definitely go viral one day. Before telling the secret that worked for me, let's understand the audience retention graphs, because if you understand this, then you can work better on the trick. And understanding these graphs will also help you in bringing more watch time to your videos and also in improving your edits. There are mainly 4 types of graphs. Graph number 1, slowly decreasing graph. Audiences are clicking your videos to watch it, but they are slowly closing it because of its engagement. Actually, YouTube says that it is the most common graph of every creator, as many of the creators may not be successful in keeping the audience engaged till the end. So this graph gradually decreases. The second type graph is this one. This is also a decreasing graph, but you can see some sudden decrease here. This means that the audience are skipping your video at this point. These two graphs are very dangerous for your videos, so avoid them by cutting the dipped part of the video and make more engaging. And the next 2 graphs help you to go viral. First one is the graphs with spikes. You may have seen this type of graph. These spikes indicate that the audiences are re-watching that part. So that part of the video is interesting and people are loving it. And the last graph, which helps you to go viral in one day, a flat graph. You may have understood that this graph appeared because the audiences are watching your videos completely and without skipping. So try to maintain this graph and try to increase this type of spike moment. Now it's time to tell you my trick, which I applied to my videos and got more views than usual. This video had some 15 to 16 views on the first day. After that, I tried some tricks and it really worked for me. I don't know how useful and safe this trick is, but I will tell you, and before applying this trick, make sure that you follow the same procedure. So listen carefully for the next few minutes, because if you miss the steps, then you will not go viral. Firstly, after seeing some 15 to 20 views, I checked this video and I found that the retention was average. I had full confidence about my thumbnail and topic, so I made an idea of increasing its audience retention. I went to the search page and searched for my video, and I watched the video completely, and also I re-watched some parts so that my graph got some spikes. I was in doubt that it would work or not. After watching my video completely, the audience retention increased, and after some time I rechecked this video, but there were no positive results. And after 2 days, I again rechecked it, and now I got a spiker, and this video showed a positive graph. And now I know that you are also in a hurry to try this trick, but listen carefully, there are some conditions. Firstly, make sure that you watch your own video with another mobile only once, and also make sure that you watch it on the search page only. I personally searched the video and watched it on a different mobile. After getting some positive results, I also applied this trick to some more videos, and it worked. Although this trick is working, keep in mind that you must have better editing and a better topic in that video. I had confidence about this video. The topic was unique and the editing was top-notch. Check it by yourself. So this made the audience retention even more better than usual. And I'm talking about the tricks and tips, but I didn't show you that video. This is the video on which I have applied the trick, and similarly this one also. Hey, wait. Before clicking on these videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you are loving my content. Okay, now you can go and watch these videos. Until then, I will meet you in the next video with another great content.